India has seen unprecedented progress in all spheres in the last decade. Modern and future-ready connectivity is being ensured across country, and Karnataka has emerged as an equal partner in this growth journey. Road infrastructure projects worth over rupees 2 lakh crore are being developed in Karnataka. Minister for Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Gadkari ji determined to fast-track and complete the infrastructure projects in record time. Foundation stone was laid for Bangalore-Chennai Expressway. Karnataka marks a historic milestone as the central government launches 6 major development projects with an investment of 7,300 crore rupees. It will include 4-lane Belgondapalli to Tamil Nadu border and Hoskote to Tamil Nadu border will provide seamless connectivity to 6 national highways and 8 state highways passing through Bangalore. It will also provide seamless connectivity to major ports of Chennai, Mangaluru and Krishnapatnam, thereby reducing logistics cost and furthering ease of doing business. The project related to 6-laning of Nelamangala-Tumkur section is a part of Mumbai-Pune-Chennai corridor that will decongest traffic in Bangalore city and eliminate 13 black spots and ensure a safe and convenient movement for people of the region. Upgradation of Panjalkatte to Charmardi section will provide alternate route between central Karnataka and Mangaluru for landslides-prone stretches of Shirdi Ghat during monsoon. It will also be beneficial for pilgrims visiting to Dharmasthala and Surya temples and tourists coming to Chikka-Magaluru, Beluru and Halebeedu. Upgradation work on Madugiri-Gauribidanore and Chikkaballapur section will improve interstate connectivity between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh and ensure easy access to bigger markets for local produce like cotton, silk and mangoes as a part of PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Multimodal Logistics Park at Bangalore is being developed at a cost of rupees 1,800 crore. It will give a big boost to the trade and business related to commodities like electrical goods, rice, spices, automobiles, cement, apparel and fast-moving consumer goods. Furthering rail line of 4.5 km from Doddabelle railway station and road from NH 648 to MMLB will provide end-to-end connectivity. The logistics park will play a key role in progress of these sectors and create a lot of employment opportunities for local youth. All the projects will create 21st century road infrastructure for the people of Karnataka, ensure ease of living, transform urban landscape and go a long way in making a self-reliant India.